registered na, kindly place your wristbands sa ating registration area. Kay mo na siyang ato ang ilhanan for the distribution of our meals and certificates later. District, Department of Education, Mabini District. And once again, for our